Welcome to Greece, everybody. I'm thrilled to share my love for this country with you. Whether you're yearning for sun-kissed beaches, fascinated by ancient history, where the legends of the conflicts of ancient kingdoms in the region of Greece, both imaginary and real, but they are extremely wonderful and enrich the creative and emotional imagination of people, and remind them of the wisdom and philosophy of Aristotle and Plato, and the legend of the Trojan horse, when one of the kings was unable to storm the fortress of his enemy's city by force, so he stormed it with the trick of the huge skeletal horse with the strongest and bravest soldiers inside it, and they were able to get out of it. The Trojans entered the structure in time and stormed the fortress. Or dreaming of luxurious island getaways, Greece has it all. Let's dive into the top 10 places you must visit in Greece. Our first stop is Santorini, a place straight out of a fairy tale. Imagine whitewashed houses on volcanic cliffs, iconic blue domes, and breathtaking sunsets over the Aegean Sea. Explore Oia and Fira, ancient ruins, and take a boat trip to a volcanic caldera. Next we venture to Athens, the cradle of Western civilization. Stand in the shadow of the Acropolis, marvel at the Parthenon, and feel the weight of history. But Athens also has a modern side with trendy neighborhoods, delicious food, and lively nightlife. Get ready for fun in Mykonos, the ultimate Greek island party destination. Beyond the nightlife, explore Mykonos town, hidden coves, and relax at beachfront cafes. Prepare to be wowed by Crete, Greece's largest island. Hike the Samaria Gorge, explore the Minoan Palace of Knossos, or relax on Elefantisi Beach. Savor Cretan cuisine, known for its fresh ingredients and traditional recipes. Journey to Meteora, where towering rock formations rise dramatically. These centuries-old monasteries cling to cliffs, inspiring awe. Explore each monastery's unique history and capture the breathtaking views. Our next adventure is Rhodes, the Island of the Knights. Wander through the medieval Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Relax on beaches, explore ancient ruins, and enjoy Greek and Turkish-inspired cuisine. Visit Delphi, steeped in ancient Greek mythology. Explore the Temple of Apollo and imagine the past rituals and ceremonies. Delphi is where history, mythology, and natural beauty converge. Next stop, Zakynthos, known for stunning beaches and turquoise waters. Visit Navajo Beach, explore the blue caves, and be captivated by nature's beauty. Be charmed by Corfu, an island paradise in the Ionian Sea. Explore Corfu town's narrow streets and elegant buildings, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Relax on beaches, visit historic monasteries, or hike through olive groves. Our final stop is Thessaloniki, a vibrant hub of culture, history, and gastronomy. Explore Byzantine churches, bustling markets, and sample the city's delicious cuisine. And there you have it, our whirlwind tour of the 10 best places to visit in Greece. From Santorini's sunsets to Athens' ancient wonders, Greece offers unforgettable experiences. We should also not forget that Greece is the country of the ancient Greek civilization, which is considered one of the first civilizations on Earth, next to the Pharaonic civilization in Egypt, the Assyrian civilization, and the Persian civilization on the Tigris and Euphrates rivers in the east, next to the civilization of the Kingdom of Sheba in Yemen, and the Chinese civilization in the Far East. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides. Let us know your dream destination in Greece.